Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, or if it's your first time here, I'm Maria, and today we're doing a full breakdown of Mitolyn ingredients. What's really inside the supplement that's been blowing up online? If you're researching Mitolyn ingredients, wondering what makes it different and whether it actually works, this video is for you. I've been trying it for over a month now, and I've got a lot to say, including what happened to my energy, my weight, and my daily routine. But first, super important, Mitolyn is only sold through the official website. There are a lot of fake copies being sold online, so I'll leave the official link I used in the description and in the pinned comment. Only buy from that link if you decide to try it. Don't take risks with your health. So let's get right into it. What are the Mitolyn ingredients and how do they work? This supplement is 100% natural, made in the USA, FDA registered, and GMP certified, so we're talking about high standards here. But the real star is the formula itself. 1. Maqui Berry, a powerful antioxidant. It protects your mitochondria and helps your body burn fat more efficiently. This is key because the real goal of Mitolyn is to increase mitochondrial activity. That's where energy and fat burning happen. 2. Rhodiola Rosea, a natural adaptogen that helps your body handle stress and boosts your energy without caffeine. It's also great for focus and performance throughout the day. 3. Haematococcus pluvialis, Astaxanthin, one of the most powerful antioxidants in the world. It supports your mitochondria, improves your metabolism, and even helps with skin health and recovery. 4. Amla, Indian gooseberry. Rich in vitamin C, it helps reduce inflammation, supports digestion, and increases metabolism naturally. 5. Theobroma cacao. Yes, chocolate, but this is the pure form without sugar. It improves blood flow, increases energy, and helps with mood and focus. Think of it as a clean energy booster. 6. Schisandra chinensis, another adaptogen that supports liver function, improves endurance, balances hormones, and helps your body adapt to stress and fatigue. Each one of these ingredients was carefully selected to support mitochondrial function, and that's the secret behind how Mitolyn works. When your mitochondria are strong and active, your body naturally burns more fat, your energy improves, and your metabolism speeds up. That's what makes Mitolyn stand out from other weight loss supplements. It works at a cellular level. I've struggled with weight since my second pregnancy. I tried low-carb diets, home workouts, even other supplements. Nothing really helped me long-term. But with Mitolyn, it was different. I started taking just one capsule every morning with cold water. That's it. By the end of week 1, I had noticeably more energy, like I didn't need that extra cup of coffee anymore. By week 2, my jeans were looser. I wasn't even focused on losing weight at that point, but I could tell something was changing. And by the end of the month, I had lost over 20 pounds, felt lighter, and way more confident. All that from a formula that's made with clean, plant-based ingredients that support your body instead of shocking it. Again, please don't buy from random websites or ads. The official Mitolyn website is the only safe place to order, and they're currently offering a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. I'll leave the official link I used below this video. Just check the description or the top comment. So, to sum it up, Mitolyn impressed me. The ingredients are natural, powerful, and designed to work together. If you're tired of Band-Aid solutions and want something that supports real fat burning and energy at the root level, Mitolyn ingredients are worth checking out. If you made it this far, thank you. And if this video helped you out, do me a favor. Hit the like button, leave your questions down in the comments. I reply to everyone. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more honest reviews, wellness tips, and health content that actually helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.